AI drones from Ukraine destroy and damage Russian nuclear bombers, causing $7 billion in losses. What is Operation Spider's Web? Find out now. Operation Spider's Web was planned over 18 months, showcasing clever strategy and precise calculation. AI-powered FPV drones were hidden in wooden crates, disguised on trucks. Unwitting drivers, hired by anonymous businessmen, transported the cargo and stopped at designated points near Russian airbases. On June 1, 117 FPV drones were launched from trucks. Ukraine innovatively used AI drones, connecting to Russian telecom networks for activation signals and flight directions. Powered by AI, the operation required no human pilots. Remotely activated, the drones autonomously flew toward airfields, bypassing jamming and counter-drone systems around military bases. Once inside, Ukraine's drones trained with AI on the shapes of Russian target aircraft, analyzed and identified matches. The drones then independently selected and attacked planes like the Tu-95, Tu-22M3, and A-50. Strikes hit 5 bases simultaneously, spanning 5 time zones, from Murmansk to Siberia, over 4,000 kilometers from Ukraine. According to Ukraine, the operation destroyed and damaged 41 aircraft, equivalent to 34% of Russia's strategic bombers, with losses estimated at $7 billion. President Zelensky stated that the operatives escaped Russia safely. The significance of Spider's Web lies in its vast scale, smart AI use, and impact on Russian military infrastructure. Operation Spider's Web marks a notable event, reflecting long-term planning and advanced technology. If you found this video engaging, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.